Meeting is for you to brief the committee on all the alleged loss of 15 billion in diamond revenue, the context in which you are allegedly said to have made that statement. The committee believes you may have useful information that will enable the committee to conclude its report. Your Excellency, any clarification on this request, you may get in touch with the undersigned on clerk@palizim.gov.zw or the Assistant Clerk of Parliament, Mr. J. Gandiwa, on cell phone number +263 712 880010 or email gandiwa@palizim.gov.zw. Sincerely yours, N.A. Sunga, Mrs. Acting Clerk of Parliament. CC Honorable Advocate J.F. Mdenda, Speaker of the National House of Assembly. In view of the time, we have resolved that we will write to the former President, His Excellency Comrade R.G. Mugabe, to appear before us on Monday at 2 o'clock. The committee also is cognizant of the fact that 9 o'clock was a bit too early to ask the former president to be here. As you would also appreciate that when he was in office, he would start cabinet at 12 o'clock. So we are not here to humiliate him, as you can see with our letter, so we must also be cognizant of that fact. We're expecting to have enough time to prepare. So on Monday at 2 o'clock, we're expecting Parliament to be writing to him. We don't expect not to get any cooperation from him. Parliament has the power to summon anyone, and I don't think we would want to do that. And I think any other changes which might be made, you will be notified of that changes. I thank you very much. No questions. So it was simple, to the point. So you are excused, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Former President Mugabe vakanyora kutsamba kuti vauye kuzotaura nyaya ye15 billion zvimwe zvavanozivawo maererano nemadiamonds. Izvo zvakabva kwavari, saka tanga takavashedza kuti vave na9 o'clock nhasi, asi tagara pasi taziva sekomiti taona kuti 9 o'clock yanga yakati romei. Semukuru wechero panga vari pabasa vaitanga basa kuma12, saka kuti tizovatarisa kuti vasvike pana 9 o'clock tinge tavaremedza. Hatisi kuedza kuvanyadzisa kana kuita zvimwe zvinhu, asi kuti ngonzwawo nyaya yemadhamu. Saka tawirirana kuti musi wemvuromande uri kuuyawo vachauya na2 o'clock panapa, tinge tavapawo nguva yekuti vagadzire, muchiziva kuti Parliament ine simba yekusamona munhu. Saka hatitarisire kuti chasvika ipapo kuti vasamone kuti vave pano. Kana pane zvimwe zvogona kuchinja neurongwa hwaanda kupai zvinezvi, tichakuzivisai Parliament ichakuzivisai kuti zvichafamba sei. Tinotenda. Maita.